If your car broke down tomorrow, or your phone stopped working, or you suddenly had an unexpected $500 bill, could you handle it? If your answer is no or maybe not, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people in the US live paycheck to paycheck, and saving money feels almost impossible. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your first $1,000 step by step, even if you're starting from zero, and even if you feel like you never have enough money left at the end of the month. And no, you don't need a high salary. You just need a simple system. The real problem is not that you don't earn enough money. The real problem is that there is no system in place to help you keep money. You get paid, you pay rent, you pay bills, you spend on food, subscriptions, small purchases, and suddenly your money is gone. And when an emergency happens, you feel stuck and stressed. So let's fix that by building a simple saving system that actually works. First, you need to understand your money. That means knowing how much money comes in every month and how much money goes out. You don't need anything complicated. Just open your bank app and take a quick look. Most people are surprised when they realize where their money is actually going. This awareness alone can change your habits. Next, set a simple goal, your first $1,000. Not $10,000, not investing, just $1,000. This is your starter emergency fund. It's small enough to feel possible, but big enough to make a real difference in your life. Now break it down. Instead of thinking about saving $1,000, think about saving $50 or $100 per week. Suddenly, it feels much easier and less overwhelming. Now, here's the most important rule. Pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, set aside a small amount like $20, $50, or whatever you can afford, and immediately move it into a separate savings account. Don't wait until the end of the month because there will never be extra money left. If you wait, you will spend it. To make it even easier, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every week or every payday. This removes the need for willpower. You don't have to think about it, and your savings will grow quietly in the background. Let's look at a real example. Imagine you earn around $3,000 per month after taxes, which is very common for many entry-level jobs in the US. Your expenses might include rent, food, transport, phone bills, and other spending. After everything, it may feel like you don't have much left. But most people also waste money on small things like food delivery, coffee, or impulse online shopping. If you simply cut around $10 a day in unnecessary spending, that's about $300 a month saved. Combine that with smart budgeting, and you can easily save $1,000 in just a couple of months without increasing your income. But there are common mistakes you need to avoid. Don't wait until you earn more money to start saving. Don't try to save too much too fast, or you'll give up quickly. Don't keep your savings in your checking account because you will spend it without realizing. And don't ignore emergencies because they always happen when you least expect them. Here are a few simple tips that make saving easier. Try having one no-spend day every week where you don't buy anything at all. Cancel at least one subscription you don't really use. If you're starting out, try using cash or debit instead of credit cards so you don't overspend. You can also rename your savings account to something like Emergency Fund or Future Me to keep yourself motivated. And most importantly, track your progress so you can actually see your savings growing over time. The truth is, saving your first $1,000 is not about making more money. It's about building simple habits and sticking to them. Start small, stay consistent, and don't overthink it. Even if you begin with just $20, what matters is that you start. Once you reach your first $1,000, something changes. You start feeling more in control of your money and less stressed about unexpected expenses. That's when you realize saving is not about income, it's about behavior. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with something even more useful.